It's major representing, I don't know, Mr. Real No Real representing, and I say, iRediva.com. Real no real boy, me and my baby met the girl of my. Shh, it's major. Definitely. I mean, I was, preparing myself for the possibility, but certain things were never taken care of that should have been taken care of on a certain side. It never happened until basically the last minute. So I mean, when that was done and things that I'm comfortable and everything,
Where was your first stop?
First stop was arriving Belgium, Brussels, and the first show was in Amsterdam.
How was it?
Good, great. I mean, the first show was an intimate vibe, but it was a perfect setting to kind of acclimatize yourself, and get in the groove and just ease yourself in the whole tour mode,
So tell me how tour life evolved from then. What was your typical day like?
We had some days off, but other than that, when the show them a click and thing, it's a hectic, thing. Some people think it's just glamorous thing, but it's very hectic, Even, traveling is either train or you flying, and then you arrive, you have to go there, then the venue, do a sound check, go back to the hotel, you have a little time for rest, probably get something to eat, back to the venue for the show, because you're on there and comfortable. And you perform, you go back to the hotel, you probably not have a whole heap of time for rest before you have to get up again to start traveling to the other part. But I love and we give thanks if you see the people I receive the thing on the music and so that alone feel me.
Which stop was the biggest show?
I think Stuttgart. Stuttgart was the promoter's biggest night for the year.
Really?
Yeah, so far, yeah. So
how
that
was the crowd?
The place did full and outside a whole heap of people without it. So it's humbling for me to see that, we don't really come back and beat no chest or nothing, but them little things that us, humbling.
Tell me what were some of the highlights for you? Some of the things that you remember coming off the tour that year?
I did some songs off of the album when I performed in Jamaica, none at all, and I'm basically new. At the first I performed them songs, and I see people are ball out every word. You see, every word. I think we have some clips, some footage we can probably find with it. And I'm shocked. I have to make sure I hold my composure and I'm not get, because like me want to start to watch them and sing the song, you know what I'm saying? So little things like this. What else? Every show, you have something you can pick out, but the whole tour was a success and I have to give thanks.
The girls that were throwing their panties up on stage.
No, they never reached so far yet. Yeah. They never reached so far yet.
No, the girls that love major.
Yeah, we give thanks to that though, they really come out and show love, big up to the Helsinki girl, them scream loud. Yeah, man.
What were off days like? What do you do?
Relax. Sometimes you link up with some sound system, you got the dub plates and thing, or just go network, but or even sightseeing, because some of the city them really nice. And me personally like, geography and them thing there, with the love in school and thing. I like, probably explore and them thing. I love the architecture, like I want in Europe. Them architecture different, some of the ancient looking building them and it just wicked. I should camera boss and then if it takes some picture, that just wicked.
I saw a picture where you and Billy were on bicycles.
Oh yeah, that was Helsinki. We just an idle and a ride around the city, Monica Park, near the Baltic Sea or something like that. So them thing I'm only see on TV, so to be close to that kind of thing, I would take a ferry to across a studio. Which when you head into the studio, when you see the little island where the studio is, seeing it, wicked, beautiful. So it's just a joy, you know what I'm saying? And I think we're in Helsinki the perfect time because coming up now it's going to be longer nights and shorter days. You know what I'm saying? Further up earlier in the summer, they have longer days and shorter nights because like minutes to even 10 o'clock, minutes to 11. It will stay bright and sunny, so we were ready to perfect time.
saw you had a chance to shoot some ball and do some things.
Oh yeah, you know the cold, it's there freeze, but you know it was a half day and things, so to keep your sanity, just go out and do something with you're familiar with. So,
speaking of familiar, what did you eat? What was
just stick to mostly Chinese food. Chinese food, or maybe just end up after go with some of the junk food them sometimes because that I'm familiar with them and I take my chance. You know what I'm saying? But one of the best things they asked earlier about this tour is just if it's a D major in concert, a D major program this, you know what I'm saying? D major alone is nobody else. And for see, you know the response as I tell you and the support encouraging. So I look forward to a bigger and better 2015.
Yeah. So you're back in Jamaica, what's next?
We're networking with people on that side, as we speak, you know what I'm saying? More possibilities, stuff like that, like tours, shows and all of them things there. Recording with some of the producers and things from that side then. And just continue to widen the fan base. See it.
You left off saying that you're gonna shoot a video for Naked.
Oh yeah, them thing there definitely. We'll attack them thing there because we're supposed to go meet with Busy too about no more distance because we heard a song that they really got airplay here too. So we want act and them thing there and just you don't know feed in the momentum. I really think that song that have a whole heap of potential because that's one of the songs them too. I'm going to tell you so they must sing and they love that song there. No more important for I like to say it just because not even a local act, just me on the sound system, whosoever in the club.
What is partying in Europe like? What was the club scene
them
like?
pretty current, you know.
Yeah.
Jamaican thing, you know, and the thing is them appreciate the music on the next level. You might hear a whole heap of artists go and come and say that, but when you experience it, you know what I mean. It's just, you can see the people are just into the thing and love it genuinely, you know. Because, hear this now, when I learn, most of the promoters are telling me, say, coming like in the winter, club shows, it's going to be a good thing because people, you know, it's cool and they want something to do, so people come out even in the rain, because one night, I don't remember where we were, and it rained, and them say, yeah man, this is good. And I say, what? Them say, yeah, people going to leave them house and they're going to hang out on no bars and no sidewalk bar and nothing like that. But come in the club. I say, hey, rain fall yard and I'll leave them yard. You know what I'm saying? So, I see it was true because people really did turn out the night and it just look like a normal night. So, them love the thing, man.
So, it was a fully D major?
Yeah, man. 100% man, and that's why I say, you know, I have to give thanks, you know, the Almighty, you know, we humble ourselves and we've been working, you know what I'm saying, and we see the thing them, the blessing them for our, you know? Yeah.
So when you wrap a show, you meet and greet with the fans?
Yeah man, you have to take pictures, you know, and on some CDs and everything, and you have to do that, that's important, you know man.
Sign some t-shirt, me still away from a t-shirt.
Well, maybe sign more than t-shirts, you know. Leave that for another program.
Don't think we can put that on a program.